Roblox Studio Tutorial Part 42. And to also see what happens if one of the conditions is not true, then we're first here gonna add an else statement. So if both of them are not true, or if one of them is false, then we're going to say else, and then we're going to say print, and then we say not all of the conditions are true, and then here we just change this 4 to 5. So now it's gonna check if 4 plus 5 equals 8, and that's not true because it equals 9. So this will return false. This will still return true, but both of them are not true anymore. So it will run this else statement. So it should print not all of the conditions are true. As you can see in the output, the print statement has printed, so the AND logical operator works. Now go back to your script, and we are going to use the second logical operator called OR, and to use this we just have to replace AND with OR, all in lowercase. And this works a little bit different, because with OR it checks only if one of the conditions is true. So here the first condition is false, but the second condition is still true. And with OR only one of the conditions has to be true. So this one is true, so the action will still run and this print statement will still be printed. When I join the game, as you can see, the print statement, one of the conditions is true, has been printed. So it works. And again, we're gonna make it so that the action will not happen. So we now have to change the second condition to be false. So we're going to say if 5 plus 6 equals 10, that is false. So now both of the conditions are false, and OR checks if this or that one is true, but none of them are true. So this else statement will print, and that print statement has also been printed. I split this video up into 3 parts, and part 3 will be uploaded later today.